What was your dream about?
Well, I was lost, and I didn't know which way to go. But now I know what I want. Moose, you're a great guy.
The best!
But my heart belongs with Cody.
It does? It does?
Cody, you're the one I want to be with. I never stopped loving you.
I never stopped loving you either.
Wait, shh. Do you hear that? I hear birds chirping.
I thought it was just me.
Oh, the storm is over.
I'm going home.